Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make a pumpkin milkshake. Whoa. This is perfect for Halloween, so let's get started. Alright, so I'm getting a blender. I'm putting 3/4 of a cup of milk. Quarter of a cup of pumpkin puree. Now you can steam the pumpkin by just cutting it up and steaming it, and then puree yourself. But what I did, I also use a can of pumpkin puree. Two giant scoops of vanilla ice cream. Also, I'm going for 3 scoops. Then put up a teaspoon of cinnamon sugar and 1/4 of a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Like that. And then put some food coloring. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put 3 drops of yellow, and then 3 drops of red. That will make orange. But if you have orange food color and orange food gel, that will work as well. Now just put the red on, blend it until it's nice and smooth. Oh, yeah. Yum, yum. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for a pumpkin milkshake. As you can see, oh, look at the color. Oh, give me a taste. Oh. Oh man, these scrumptious. So thank you guys so much for watching the new recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you on next Monday for a new recipe. Peace out.